So now, this 7 cow that is big came swallow the small cow. And then there was a corn something as well, that the 7 big one eat the small big one. I mean the small one. You know, why can't I remember the thing now correctly? But what happened is that the interpretation of the dream was that for 7 years it will be a lot of things. The land will be full. There will be so much. But then after that, the lean one will come and eat the big one. Something like, do I put it vice versa? But doesn't matter. The main story is that for 7 years it will be a good year. And in that 7 years, you have to put away to make the bad years to be better. And Joseph, if he didn't interpret that, everybody would have had a nice time and finishing. It's like somebody who won the lotto that don't think of tomorrow. Today is a car. I want Bentley. Tomorrow is, I want 30 million rand worth of house. The next day is, the house is so big. Now I need some nice furniture. Another 30 million rand worth of furnitures. Now the furniture and the house, it needs somebody to come and work for me. Now, employing. So everything they do is just to squander. The same like the prodigal son. Thinking that he got to be a millionaire. I hit the lotto one time.